Look at this insanity. What is going on right now? Are we in South Mississippi or up north? I'm not sure. Wow. Crazy. No, camera, stop focusing in. Oh yeah, wow. That's insane. Are we going to go see if Walmart's open, or you want to start there? Yeah, we're going to go see if Walmart is open because we're not sure. We've never done this before. Ooh, the sun's going sideways now. Talking into the video. I'm vlogging our experience. Let me be me. Man, that's crazy. That used to be a pool. Don't eat the yellow snow. That's what they say. Kids playing in the snow. Insanity. Puerto Ricans ain't coming out. I said it's too cold for them. I don't blame them. They're all hunkered down with their windshield wipers up. I guess they do that so they don't freeze.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Yeah, buddy. We don't know what to do. We're just doing it. Damn. Man, I'm so glad we got to experience this. Crazy insane. So do you wish you would have stayed at work?
Yeah.
Really? Man. You wouldn't have been doing anything.
Making money?
Yeah, I guess. I guess you're right. You would have been making money. I guess that is a good thing. We always want to do that. We always want to make some money. Damn. Empty. Railroad tracks got snow on them. That's the hospital. And this is Highway 90.
Can't even tell.
I know, it's crazy. Jeez, I don't even see the line.